Hello, everyone. This is a hands-on workshop where you will learn how to light, pose, and actually photograph people. You will explore lighting with strobes and natural light and different posing techniques depending on the location and set that you're on, with special attention to styling and wardrobe selection. And we'll teach you our retouching techniques, exactly like we retouch our clients' photos. There will be plenty of time for you to shoot and learn, as we're only taking 5 photographers for this workshop. So join me and my team for a date full of fun and learning, and you will leave with fantastic portfolio images and knowledge that will help you step up your photography business.